just constantly fighting that fever for 2 or 3 days.
The flu in February. It's not uncommon this year, and in fact, it's been spreading fast. Good evening. I'm Aaron Bennett.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. From kids to adults, the flu is hitting people all across central Illinois, and some daycare centers are feeling the worst of it. It's tonight's top story. WCIA 3's Jennifer Johnston is with us now, and so what are they seeing these days, Jennifer?
Jennifer, we may be having beautiful weather outside, but lots of people have been stuck inside, sick with the flu. And daycares are seeing it spread quickly among their kids. It's mid-February. The sun is shining outside, and when you think of 70 degrees, you probably don't think about the flu. But in recent months, the virus has been spreading more than usual.
What you're seeing right now is that people are now starting to go outside, right? And they're starting to interact with more and more people. Sometimes you'll see it in an enclosed place, but the more people interact, the more likely they are to pass this around.
And Kids First Child Care in Champaign has seen firsthand how it's affecting the children.
Their fever is raging and they can't get it down. And it's just constantly fighting that fever for 2 or 3 days.
She's had to send multiple kids home at a time, and she says it's becoming a pretty common thing.
What we saw a lot in January was a flu bug, and when parents would take them into the doctors, some of the doctors were saying it was a new variation of a flu bug.
As a daycare provider, Kids First Hand has a lot of children coming in and out of their doors. But Maxwell says the virus doesn't just affect the kids, it's also spreading to the teachers. And a frustration she finds is that the doctors don't have a way to stop it. So kids keep getting sick week after week.
We have to try and accommodate the children being here. But at the same point in time, we kind of have to be the judge. Is being around this child going to endanger all my other children?
They've been taking extra caution to bleach the toys and clean the center every day. But even that doesn't seem to stop the spread. Kids First Child Care has about 50 kids in their program. Maxwell says she's seen every single one of them come down with some type of flu virus. And over the past 2 months, she's had to send kids home almost every week. Jennifer?
Yeah, hard to keep those little ones sneezing or coughing into their elbows. They're little.
I know, and they're always around other kids, too.
That's right. All right, thank you. Now, flu spreads easily when parents send kids back to school or daycare before they should. A helpful reminder, doctors say you should keep your kids at home for at least 24 hours after their fever breaks. And while they're at home, keep them isolated to avoid spreading the virus within your home.